Hey there, travel lovers. It's Amber from Gateway Travel, and today we're going to talk about a super fun, somewhat taxing, but rewarding adventure planning a multi-generational family trip. Now, what is that, you ask? Well, it's a vacation that includes family members of all ages. We're talking grandparents all the way to the little ones. So if you're ready to create some unforgettable family memories, well, stick around. All right, first things first, multi-generational travel is definitely gaining a lot of popularity these days. Why? Because it's all about bonding with family, sharing unique experiences, and really spending quality time together. Plus, it's a fantastic way for grandparents to create those special moments with their grandkids and for parents to relax away from the daily grind. So today I'm going to share some top tips with you on how to plan that perfect multi-generational trip. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, choosing the right destination is like the first step. Think about places that are accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We're talking toddlers to grandparents. Look for destinations that offer a variety of activities, like theme parks, cruises, or even national parks. These spots usually cater well to all ages, so everyone can find something to love. When picking a destination, do thorough research. Read reviews and watch videos to get an idea of what's being offered. And remember, it's super important to involve the whole family in the decision-making process. You want everyone to feel excited and included when trip planning. Next up is budgeting, which can be a bit tricky, but totally doable with some planning. Start by setting a budget that works for everyone. This might mean looking for group discounts or traveling during off-peak seasons to save some cash. Think about the possibility of sharing cost. For instance, renting that big vacation home can definitely be more cost-effective than booking multiple hotel rooms. Also consider setting up a travel fund where everyone contributes a little bit each month. This can take the financial pressure off and make the trip more enjoyable for everyone. All right, let's talk about where you'll stay. There are a few options, each with its own pros and cons, as with everything in life. Hotels are great for their amenities and services, but vacation rentals or resorts might be better for larger groups, offering more space and the comfort of a more like homey environment. When looking for accommodations, be sure to check if they cater well to large groups and offer enough private space for downtime. Having some private areas is crucial for maintaining everyone's sanity and happiness. And booking early can often secure the best rates and give you that perfect spot. Now on to the fun part, planning the itinerary. When creating your schedule, make sure it's flexible and caters to all age groups. Mix it up with a variety of activities like sightseeing, relaxation, and a little bit of adventure. It's also important to schedule some downtime. Trust me, a little break in between activities keeps everyone happy and energized. And again, get everyone involved in planning the daily activities. This way, each family member gets to experience something they enjoy. Packing for a multi-generational trip can be a bit of a challenge, but I've got some tips to make it easier for your clients. Create a shared packing list to avoid duplicates and make sure that they're all set for the adventure. Think about packing for different age groups and their specific needs. Include items like travel games, snacks, and a first aid kit to keep everyone entertained and prepared. Aim to pack light and smart. It's better for everyone in the long run. Staying connected during the trip is key, so set up a group chat or use walkie-talkies to keep everyone in the loop. Good communication can really help manage different expectations and preferences. Remember, it's normal to have little conflicts along the way. Having a few conflict resolution strategies in your back pocket, like taking a breather or having a quick family meeting, and most importantly, make sure to balance quality time together with some individual time. Everyone needs a little personal space now and then. All right, travel lovers, that's it for today. I hope these tips help you plan an amazing multi-generational family trip. If you have any questions or need more advice, feel free to drop a comment down below. Happy travels, and here's to making beautiful family memories. Until next time, safe travels.